In this video, we're going to see how to implement list view. So which is like this inside Android Studio. Let us start right now. Hi guys, my name is Nagesh and I am from 18bofficial.com. In this video, we're going to see how to implement list view, which is like this inside Android Studio. First of all, what is list view? List view is a view in which we have a group of several items and we display them in a vertical list. So these are all, so we call this as items, and I also named it as items. So how to give these names? So in order to place items inside the list view, we use adapter, or in this case we are going to use array adapter, in which we place items. So these are all the items, and we place these items inside an array of string. And the next thing is related to the layout. So you can see, so this is a simple text view, and this layout is provided by stock Android. So these are all the default layouts. So in order to make your own layout, so we need to create a custom list view for that. So we can discuss it in the next tutorial. And in this video we're going to see the basic list view using array adapter. So let me close emulator, and so this is the project in which we have three screens. This main activity is of splash screen, and it opens this home activity, and this is PDF viewer in which I loaded one PDF. So let me go to the home session, and first of all let us go to the layout file. So go to the parity session, and first let us import our list view widget. So list view is a widget, and in order to import this widget, search for list view in the parity, or you can also write the XML code by opening the tag and typing for the list view. So as it is a beginner tutorial, I am going with the drag and drop options, and you can find the name is underscore dynamic, so don't be hurry. And I'm giving the ID as list view, and I'm setting this layout width and height to match parent. So you can see, now you can see the width and height as match parents. So that's all for the XML file. Now let us go to the Java file and connect this first. So that go to the app compactivity. In this we need to specify the widget that we are going to use. So I'm calling it as list view, and we need to connect this list view to the list view that we created in the XML. For that we use find view by ID. So in that we need to use the ID that we named, so that is list view. So now we need to create an array of strings in which we place our items. So in the example code I implemented three text views. So let me tell you how to create that. So in order to create an array of strings inside Android Studio, so just type for strings and name this strings. So name this array. So I'm going to name it as a list of items, and is equal to, now in the flower brackets you need to give the arrays. So this default position is 0, and we can give as number of items that we need. So this is completely based on your requirement. So for example, I am going with 4 items in this tutorial. You can give as many as of your requirement. So now we need to create an array adapter, and we need to connect these things to that array adapter, and we need to specify the layout file too. So let me show you how to create that. So type for array adapter and name the array adapter. So name it as array adapter is equal to, we need to create a new array adapter. So new array adapter, and now we need to pass two things in this. So one is the application context. So remove this if you got this. And the first thing is we need to specify two things. One is the application context and the layout file. So type for get application context, or else we can also give as a home dot this, and in this we need to do is so we need to give the layout file, right? So for that we need to use the layout which is provided by stock Android. So in order to implement that, type for Android first, so in the small letters, and we need to type r dot layout dot so we need to use simple list item 1. So let me show you how it will be. So in order to open this layout file, so just hold Ctrl on your keyboard and place your cursor on this simple list item 1. So after clicking that, you can see the layout file. So this layout file is consisting of a simple text view. So now it follows the text view. So now we need to give the array name, that is list of items. So now we need to set adapter. So in order to do that, first type list view, and we need to set adapter for this list view. So list view dot set adapter, and we need to give the array adapter name. So now let us see how it will be on a real device. I'm running the app. So if you want this theme, so watch my video on how to change themes on Android Studio. So it will be here. So you can press here and watch that video. So this is our app, and let me open my app. So list view. So in order to do this type of animations, check this video. So you can see I have created 4 items. So 1 2 3 4, you can see this 1 2 3 4. So this is how we implemented list view inside Android Studio. In the next video we're going to see how to set on click listener. So that is when I clicked on one, so something needs to be happen. So let us see how to set on click listener for this in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to 18p. Thank you.